Hello there, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Lora models in Stable Diffusion Excel. First of all, you're going to head over to this website and then search for any Lora model that you want. Once you find a model that you want to use, for example, this jellyfish one, or you can download any of these. Let's go with this birch light or this glitter one. What you're going to do is just download the file, wait for it to download, and while it's downloading, you're going to find your folder where you have your Stable Diffusion web UI installed. Over here, you're going to scroll all the way down to models, and then you're going to find the Lora folder. In case you do not have one, you're going to make a new folder and name it Lora, and you're going to paste that file that you just downloaded into this folder. So just locate where it is, cut it, and then paste it into that folder. After that, you can just go back to the Stable Diffusion web UI and launch. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.